Hello everyone, welcome to you all. This is Lata Awad, working as an assistant professor in Department of Chemistry at KVN Naik Arts, Commerce and Science College, Canada Corner, Nasik. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the free radical addition reaction. Further we proceed, let us see what we discussed in last lecture. So in last lecture, we discussed autooxidation in detail. So autooxidation is also a type of addition reaction in free radical. So we learn about autooxidation, their different definitions and characteristics of autooxidation, its reaction, how oxidation take place and formation of hydroperoxide take place. By taking some different moieties, that is allylic hydrocarbons, by taking decalin tertiary groups, we also saw the benzylic oxidation and formation of hydroperoxide take place. We saw the oxidation of cumene and formation of phenol and acetone take place from cumene, and also saw its mechanism, oxidation of ether, and lastly we saw the problem based on oxidation and their mechanism. So in last lecture we saw the three problems based on autooxidation. Now we will see the free radical addition reaction. A free radical addition of HBr to alkene leads to the anti-Markovnikov addition product. If this unsymmetrical alkene is treated with HBr in presence of peroxide, we get this product. If same alkene is treated with HBr in absence of peroxide, we get this alkyl halide as a product. This reaction follows the addition of anti-Markovnikov rule, and this reaction follows the rule Markovnikov, and we get this as a major product. In anti-Markovnikov's rule, hydrogen end up that carbon atom which having less number of hydrogen, and bromine end up on that carbon atom which having more number of hydrogen. Or in Markovnikov addition, hydrogen end up that carbon atom which having more number of hydrogen, and Br end up on that carbon atom which having less number of hydrogen. So let us see the mechanism of this free radical reaction. In first step, from peroxide generation of free radical take place. So here we will take as a benzyl peroxide, is on heating with this bond get cleave and formation of two carboxylic radical, which on decarboxylation gives 2pH radical. So in next step, this pH radical is obstruct hydrogen radical and formation of benzene plus new Br radical. In next step, this Br radical reacts with alkene this Br radical attack on this carbon atom, and this double bond open on this carbon and formation of new secondary radical take place. If this Br radical attack on this carbon atom and we get this primary radical. So as we know that secondary radical is more stable than primary radical. So this attack is considerable. So in the next step, this radical abstract hydrogen radical from this HBr and we get our desired alkyl bromide as a product plus Br radical. This Br radical further reacts with another molecule of alkene, that is chain reaction take place. The stereochemistry of addition of HBr radical to the alkene, both acyclic and cyclic alkenes, anti-addition is favored. But sometimes formation of mixture of the mixture of syn and anti product may be obtained due to rotating of these bond. So these two structures are interconvertible and we get syn as well as anti product. Let us take one problem and try to write down the mechanism of this reaction. So this alkene is treated with HBr in presence of benzoyl peroxide. We get this alkyl halide as a major product. So let us see the mechanism of this reaction. Here you can observe this is anti-Markovnikov addition in which this Br is attached to that carbon atom which having more number of hydrogen and hydrogen is attached to that carbon atom which having less number of hydrogen or here no hydrogen. So in first step the benzoyl peroxide homolytically cleave this bond and formation of 2 carboxylic radical. In next step decarboxylation take place and formation of benzene radical take place with loss of CO2. So in the next step this pH radical obstruct hydrogen radical from this HBr and formation of benzene plus this Br radical. So in next step this Br radical is reacts with given alkene. So this Br radical attack on this carbon atom and formation of new radical take place. Here new radical, which is tertiary radical. This tertiary radical abstract hydrogen radical from this HBr and formation of our product take place with plus Br radical. Now we will see the addition of thiols and thiocarboxylic acid. The addition of thiol compound to the alkene by radical chain mechanism is a quite general and efficient reaction. The mechanism is analog to addition of hydrogen bromide. Both the hydrogen abstraction and addition step are energetically favorable. So this alkene is treated with this thiol in presence of initiator. We get this as a product. So let us see the mechanism of this reaction. So in first step, this initiator abstract this hydrogen radical, this bond open on sulfur and formation of thioxy radical take place. In next step, this sulfur radical attack on this carbon atom and formation of new radical take place. Here we get R bond, sulfur bond, CH2 bond, CH radical bond R1. In next step, this carbon radical abstract hydrogen radical from this another molecule of thiol and formation of our product take place. Plus thioxy radical. This thioxy radical further reacts with another molecule of alkene and chain reaction take place. In the same way, next we will see the addition of thiocarboxylic acid. This alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde is treated with this thiocarboxylic acid in presence of initiator. It gives this as a product. So try to write down the mechanism of this reaction. So in a first step, this initiator abstract this hydrogen radical abstract this hydrogen radical there, and there is a formation of new thiocarboxylic radical plus in next step this thiocarboxylic radical reacts with this given alkene, attack on this bond open and formation of new radical take place. So we get here new radical. So in the next step this radical abstract hydrogen radical from this thiocarboxylic acid and we get our product. Now we will see the problem based on addition of thiols. This thiol is reacts with this alkene in presence of benzyl peroxide. Here what we get. So this kind of problem may be asked in examination for predict the product with mechanism. So let us see the mechanism of this reaction and find out its product. So in a first step formation of radical, formation of pH radical take place from this benzyl peroxide and we get 2 pH radical. So in next step this pH radical abstract hydrogen radical from this thiol and we get benzene as a byproduct plus thiol radical. In the next step this thiol radical is reacts with this alkene and formation of new radical take place. Here new radical in next step this radical abstract hydrogen radical and formation of our product take place. Plus this radical for further chain reaction. So product of this reaction is this. So this is all about addition of HBr, thiols and thiocarboxylic acid to the alkene in addition reaction of free radical. In the next lecture we will see the addition of halomethane to the alkene. If you like this video then press like button, share with your friends, and to get notification of new videos subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.